My name is Alan Cranford, and I've been with the City of Murfreesboro since 2003 as the plant manager. We're a lime softening facility, and so we're a little bit different than many facilities. With the old multimedia filters that we had, we were trying to get a settled turbidity of a 0.5 NTU to go on top of those filters. We'd see different ranges in the finished turbidity that we don't see with the Pall membranes. Also, the amount of water that we had to use to backwash the Grainer filters was considerably more. And we were seeing, at best, a 0.1 NTU as the finished, where now we see a 0.01, 0.02. And I think that consistency is great. Obviously, it's well below what the requirements are by EPA. The other benefit is you know that it is an absolute barrier to pathogens, whereas if you have a gravity filtration system, that's not the case. And I think that's something that we feel very comfortable about, that we ensure that the water we're providing to our customers is the very best water possible. We did a lot of investigating, specifically two different membrane companies, and after going around looking at different locations, it seemed like that the Pall membrane selection was the best for us from a hydraulic standpoint, and it was a little bit more compact. One of the things that we did is making sure that we could easily walk around our system and have 360-degree access to it. And I think that's been one of the major benefits, how easy it is to get to all the parts. When my maintenance staff has replaced a module, it was very simple for them. They have used a different module before and were very dissatisfied with how it functioned and how easy Pall was to remove the module and reinstall it. My operators absolutely love it. It's very simple, it's very clean, and it's consistent. I mean, we very seldom have a problem. You have something as high-tech as the membrane system, and there's a lot of moving parts. It is important to be able to get a hold of someone and be able to answer questions. We've had to call them in several times. Recently, we had a need to replace our CIP tanks, and they were responsive to us in that aspect, and they did a very good job in a timely fashion, and everything's worked great since. We've been very pleased with it. The performance by far has proven itself, and for that reason we're willing to stand with it.